생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 대중교통 이용하면서 짐 보관과 좌석을 문의할 때
Excuse me. Is it okay to use the overhead rack for my suitcase?
Sure. You can use the overhead rack or the underseat space if it fits.
What about the luggage compartment at the end of the car?
Yes, that's available for larger bags.
There aren't any lockers on the train, right?
That's right. Lockers are only available on the platform.
Also, my seat doesn't recline and the legroom feels really tight.
Let me check. You're in a priority seat, those usually don't recline.
Oh, I see. Is there an empty seat I could switch to?
Most seats are occupied right now. But I'll let you know if one becomes free.